You tuned my f***ing car? Tony, you were involved in this shit. I know you did this.
Whoa, something's not right.
Listen, it just keeps spinning. It's all dude.
Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we have got something crazy. Welcome Beer back to the channel, guys.
I miss being home.
Beer, what are we doing today?
Today we're gonna take out the two ECUs and then we're gonna tune it for Houston.
Okay, and we're talking crazy tune, right?
Crazy
Everybody
horsepower.
remembers the Pagani tune, HD tuning. This bad boy right here, Rolls-Royce fan is about to be doing rolling burnouts down the strip. It's gonna be insane, okay? He's gonna do all that fancy shit that I don't know anything about. That's his department. Houston knows all about that. That's not me, guys. I'm gonna let y'all know that up front. I know how to drive a car. This thing's cool. It's a Rolls-Royce fan. It's comfortable. The sound system sounds badass. That's about it, okay?
So now what we're doing is we're taking one of the two ECUs and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna plug these little dongles here.
Please elaborate. What in the?
There's different voltages and there's different signals that run through these, and basically this is what's gonna update your ECU, basically, or load up a file and whatnot.
I am so glad that you exist. Okay, if somebody told me that they would give me $1 million to tune a Rolls Royce, okay, and somebody else sent the file, okay, just like this, all I had to do was Beer's job. I would look at them like a deer in the headlights, okay? I'd be like, you want what?
You tuned my f***ing car?
Yes, I did.
Luke, I had no idea this was happening right now.
We know you're in.
Tony, you were involved in this shit. I know you did this. Listen, why did you do that?
You need more power.
I do need more power, but the problem is I have a Rolls-Royce fan, and where am I gonna go? No, Luke literally just handed me the camera and was like, Beer just tuned the car. I'm like, what do you mean he tuned the car? He's like, no, he like legitimately tuned the car. I left for 30 minutes, okay? I swear to God, I was in that meeting for tops 40 minutes. Literally tops 40 minutes. Okay, I'm not angry because I love tunes, okay? But now I'm like, is this car gonna drive like, what is it gonna drive like?
I asked for the flames, but you don't have downpipes on it, and I didn't want to put those together too quick. Andy's not here to install those, but Beer is. So yeah, you got a new tune on the fan.
This is so dumb.
I just can't wait to see if it does donuts.
I'll get the tow truck.
I'm not hating on the idea. I mean, I'm a little bit surprised, but I guess we'll see if it's faster. I mean, did you guys drive it to make sure it works?
No.
Oh, this is the first drive? All right, cool. That's how I like it.
Talk us through how you're feeling.
I feel like you guys are scamming me and you didn't really actually tune my car.
Maybe we did, maybe we didn't.
No, it's the same.
Wow, this thing is slow. Okay, it pulls a little harder. It pulls harder for sure.
I mean, it's definitely faster. It's absolutely faster.
Definitely faster. Definitely faster. Think of how much time we'll save.
Oh my God.
The 30-minute drive to work just turned to 20.
Yeah. It's for sure faster from like 20 to 70. It's for sure
It's
faster.
pulling way harder.
It's for sure faster. That's like a 0 to 60 in like, damn, dude.
What do you think, Christian?
Super fast.
Damn, yeah, this is really fast.
Wow, that was like, I need a little more emotion out of you, bro.
That wasn't the speed, you know, like the speed wasn't really affecting that.
So, straight pipe exhaust?
Downpipes for sure. Is it faster?
I don't know.
Is it faster?
I don't know.
Me neither. It feels faster. Honestly, it's legit faster. But the problem is I had Christian in the back seat, so like, I couldn't tell, you know? Let's see if this is gonna work.
This is gonna be insane.
If it works. No, traction doesn't come off.
It won't come off all the
No.
way? No way. Oh, it's locking the seats up.
Traction doesn't come off.
No way.
Dude, it doesn't come off. Fuck.
How disappointing.
It doesn't
What a
come
waste
off.
of money. Why would you tune a car that you can't do
Traction
donuts
doesn't
in?
come off. And there's a traction off button, but it doesn't turn the stability control off for us to spin. That is so disappointing. I was such in the mood to do donuts today, Luke.
Oh, me
What
too,
could we
man.
do?
What could we do? I
God.
mean,
Well, I have an idea. We're brilliant.
This is gonna be great. You know, we couldn't let y'all down. The Phantom, it was a serious letdown to us, but we couldn't do that to y'all.
Nick, you're actually right. You know what? I think
too
it's
loose.
the thing is that it's because it's so loose, right?
Yeah.
That if I move it like this, it's like turning it like this.
Turns, yeah.
It's like 3 or 4 revolutions or something like that.
Hold on, did you get him on camera saying I was right?
I did.
That's the first. Please.
I can't do donuts in this car either. Look,
Jeez.
I push it like this and it just keeps spinning. It's all dude.
Yeah.
So what's happening is like when I go to turn, I don't have any resistance. So I'm turning the wheel too much and I'm coming inward.
Yeah, and then
So
just
like
send it
right
back
now
and
I just tried to drive it with the rear pedal
Yeah.
and keep it straight, but it's like it's so hard. Like it's so
Yeah.
stupid. I need to replace the whole rack. Everything.
Yeah,
All of it.
something's not right. It feels like it's almost skipping gears in the wrap.
Yeah.
Like you can see it, it's moving funky.
Well, there's always a next time.
We need the roof.
Yeah. No shit. We definitely need a roof.